You know, this sort of chromatic descent, 'cause we have a D flat to C to a B natural. It kind of reminds me also of the Prelude to the Afternoon of a Faun by Debussy, my main man, the Debussy, not the other thing. Let's take a listen to it, and then we're gonna take some stuff from it and make our own melody out of it to basically show you how we can take any of our inspirations and use them in some creative ways and some not so creative ways to create our own music that sounds good. All right. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up with some kind of basic idea, right? And I'm gonna use what we have here to create that basic idea. So maybe I'm gonna take this C. Let's start on the C. Let's start with what we have and what we're looking for, right? Really kind of taking some of the stuff. I don't know why I zoomed in like that. Taking some of the stuff. Now maybe it looked better zoomed in like that. Some of the stuff that we've been talking about. Now we already have it. We're flipping stuff on its head. Let's see. This is jumping up. So let's jump down. So let's just go down by a sixth, if anything. Yeah. Cool. Maybe add a little bit of chromaticism, like we were going down chromatic, maybe we go up chromatic. Same thing, but changing directions. We're basically just taking something that I like and using it in maybe the opposite way or in a different place with a different context. That's how you take shit. That's how you do that. This is how music is written, you guys. I think that works just fine. Literally using the same B flat C, D flat that he's using, totally fine. So this so far is just like this plus that, and then with this, and then none of that, no quarter note. That's all that's different so far, and it already sounds like, yeah, it sounds kind of the same, or the same stuff, but a different enough for it to be its own thing. Oh, nope. Now here, let's do that F flat thing. Really give ourselves that vibe, that Marion's theme vibe. Maybe you can be a little bit closer. Gall. Now I'm kind of hearing maybe like some falling quarter notes. Descent of a fifth here. Interesting. Okay. That was good. The only thing I didn't like was, actually, honestly, that was fine. It was very reminiscent. We have the same intervals, but it's not exactly the same, really. That F going down to the E flat and the G. Yeah, it is more or less the same intervals, but it's not the same notes, and it kind of hits a little bit differently. But it's enough of a good thing. It's good. It's done. This is it. We finished our brand new Marion theme. We could put this in, a whole new piece, and people might be like, oh, that kind of sounds like that, but it's like kind of its own thing still. That's what we're doing here. Check out my version of Marion's theme. Oh wait, we wanted to listen to the first one too. All right, so let's listen back to Marion's theme, then we'll listen to my new version. See how you like it. Let me know what you think. And here's our new theme. Still so pretty, right? I kept like the same, almost everything, same kinds of notes, same types of motions, but this is totally its own thing now, right? When you can play it back to back like that, you can definitely hear how similar it is, but this is the exact kind of thing that John Williams himself was doing to composers like Gustav Holst and Tchaikovsky and a lot of the 20th century greats and Debussy that you hear in the Star Wars scores, in these Indiana Jones scores. That's a whole other video, I suppose, of just like, well, other people have done it. They've done it already, and they did a great job. This is how this is done. You find something that you think is pretty, and you play with the tools, these new tools, in your own sandbox, right? And look what we can come up with just from things that already exist in the world. This is so pretty. This is. I wouldn't be surprised if Marion's theme is a mangling of another composer's beautiful theme, and I now just mangled it even further. We have multi-generational mangling happening at this point. It's a good time. So there you go. That is Marion's theme. That's how you can take Marion's theme and any other theme that you want and make your own melody out of it. If you want to write melodies like this and use the same tools that I'm using, that I'm telling you about in this video, check out my free training, 7 Ways to Write a More Effective Melody. It'll help you make memorable melodies, sometimes even out of other people's memorable melodies, as is the case of this video. So go ahead and check that out. You can just go to justwritemusic.com. That's all you have to do. There's even a thing on the screen telling you how to get there. And by how to is just a emoji with a hand pointing to the domain name. So have fun with that. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. I'm Avi. Don't forget to be awesome.